Hi Lana, welcome once again. Now, technology is definitely one of the fastest growing careers out here, right? Career in technology has several benefits, and a high salary is one of them. So that's why we want to take a look at some of the top 10 highest paying tech jobs in the world. Ideally, the demand of knowledgeable information technology workers is only going to grow as technology continues to play a significant role in our everyday lives. So this particular information is based on the Bureau of Labor Statistics, which actually projects that employment in the IT sector will expand by between uh, 20 by between 2023 and 2035 by 15%, right? Which is substantially faster than any average of all the occupations. So as you can see, I've already opened our websites, or rather our website, where we have those particular information. And I've already shared the link within our website, within the description, so that at least you can take a look. Now, the first marketable, or rather highest paying tech job is full stack web developer. You can see the average salary here is they earn an average salary of 89,700 US dollars, right? So a full stack web developer actually plays two crucial roles, both at the back end and within the front end. So you need to have some kind of skills, or rather, you need to have some technical know-how of how you can be able to develop this front end using different programming languages, right? So if you're interested in learning this, you can always just visit some tutorials that offers this information about full stack web developer. We also have institutions all over the world that offers this particular course. I've shared some of the information on the institutions that offers this particular course. We also have at number 2, DevOps Engineer. You can see they earn an average salary of 149, right? And 149,410 US dollars, right? So they're responsible to working with codes, infrastructure management, right? And of course, system administration. So if you want to become a DevOps engineer, you have to do some certification. So depending on the size and nature of the organization, DevOps engineers will have very many responsibility. I like to evaluate the codes, does some unit tests, and assist in communication between different teams. At number 3, we have mobile app developer. Now, this is one of the lucrative actually skills or jobs that you can always find. Mobile app developers are really in demand, and you can see the average salary is actually 98,255 US dollars, right? So as an app developer, you'll be able to design, of course, develop and implement all sorts of mobile applications, right? So you can either specialize in Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, name them. So you can always be able to come up with new maybe games, right? So it is very crucial for you to understand different programming languages such as HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and so on. Then we also have product manager, right? Number 4, earning an average salary of 136,310 US dollars, right? Now, as a manager, you'll be able to oversee the various steps of the project management. You see, let's say if it is a software that is being developed or launched, you have to oversee all the stages of the development process, be it analysis stage, design stage, and it requires also a mix of skills, including UX design, tech, and business, right? So you need to do some kind of research analysis, do some prototype, bug discovery. Every tech department requires a product manager. So this is a very in-demand job. We also have data scientists in our list. As you can see, they earn a median salary of $96,710 US dollars, right? So you'll be able to work with various institutions or other organizations such as NGOs, governments, right? Data scientists are very crucial. You're the one who tell us what this data means. So you have to create some stories from the data. So you'll get to work with large voluminous data. You have to source for this data. You have to clean them. You have to analyze them and maybe make some insightful prediction of this particular data to the organization. You see, nowadays organizations make decisions based on data. So you are going to play a major role in helping the top management make the accurate decision, either to invest in additional products or to move away from that particular business and so on, right? Then we have at number 6, computer and information research scientist. Now, median salary is here is actually 131,490 US dollars, right? Now, this is one of the hardest occupation, but you can see it is also one of the highest paying. You are going to be a researcher, right? Dealing with computers, software, hardware systems, right? So your overall goal as information research scientist, as you can see, will be to develop innovative ways to use both existing and future technologies. You will be placed at a crucial stage within an organization to be able to tell them the latest state-of-art technology that they should be able to use, or what they should be able to phase out that is not really necessary within their organization. So that is another in-demand tech job. We also have information security analyst, right? A salary of 102,600 US dollars, right? So this is one of the growing job, right? So you will be able to do some various important tasks, right? Such as coming up with some information about maybe the malwares that are outside there, how to counter them, talk about confidentiality of data, talk about availability, integrity. So there's some kind of a lot of security concern that you are placed to handle, right? So that is going to be your role as information security. And of course, you have software developer. So software developer, you can be able to develop a variety of softwares from application to operating systems. You have to have some kind of problem solving skills, right? And for you to actually perform your job well, you need to have some foundation skills in programming, preferably in Java, SQL, and JavaScript. Ideally, as a software developer, also you need to adhere to the various quality procedures of coming up with the software so that you remove any loopholes and ensure that the client gets the best software so far. And of course, we have artificial intelligence architect. This is one of the fast growing domains within tech industry, that is artificial intelligence. For you to be able to practice your job well, then you have to have both creative and technical thinking to envision some of the most innovative technologies for the future, right? Now, you are going to be earning an average salary of 117,710 US dollars as an artificial intelligence architect. So these are very in demand job, right? And of course, at number 10 in our list is computer network architect. Without you, we can't be able to connect, right? So communication will happen when you are there. So a computer network architect is given the mandate to create the structure of a network, implement networks, right? So that people can be able to communicate effectively. So your main role will be to ensure that all the networks are up and running. Design the network using the various softwares and hardwares. As you can see, you will be earning a median salary of 120,520 US dollars. So that's quite a good salary, right? So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. So should you find this particular information useful, always feel free to be part of this community. All right, thanks.